Hello doctors, today we will learn Agaricus muscaris. The most striking things running through these medicines are twitching and trembling, jerking of the muscles and trembling of the limbs. Everywhere these two features are present in all parts of the body. Throughout the body there is a sensation of creeping and crawling, a sensation as if of ants, itching of the skin all over, which changes place from scratching. These are the strange sensation upon the skin or in parts. First, cold sensation, sensation of cold needles and of hot needles. Stinging and burning where the circulation is feeble. Itching, pricking, tingling, etc. come on from mental exertion and are relieved from physical exertion. All the symptoms of Agaricus are also aggravated from sexual excess, especially the symptoms of spinal cord. Here you can compare with many other medicines. Then excess of alcohol, suppressed eruptions. I do not go much details in a mental state. The mental symptoms are such as you would expect. Great changeability, irritability, mental depression and the complaints which come on from overexertion of the mind and prolonged study. Here children are late in learning to talk and walk. Thus, combining the features of remedies like Nectrum muraticum, which has the symptom late learning to talk, and as you know Calcarea carp, which has the symptom late learning to walk. It will be noticed in Calcarea that this is due to the defect in a bone weakness. In Agaricus, it is a mental defect, a slowly developing mind. Children who cannot remember make mistakes and are slow in learning. Nervous patients who on going over their manuscript find out their mistakes in writing and spelling, slow in grasping. The whole mind and sensorium swims paralyzed. The patient is sluggish, stupid. There is a confusion of mind like delirium as if intoxicated. A delirium such as is produced by alcohol. He also becomes silly, says foolish and silly things, sings and whistles at an inappropriate time, makes poem and predict future, or sometimes in opposite state, becomes indifferent to his surroundings. One who is mild and calm becomes self-willed, obstinate and thinks he is the best. The mental symptoms are worse in the morning and are relieved towards evening. All jerking, twitching subside during sleep, while lachesis aggravation from sleep. Here better during sleep. So difficulty in coordination, the movements of the muscles of the body, spasmodic contraction of the flexor of the fingers while holding things. They cannot hold, and that is why the things drops from their hands. Same in apis and netramure also. Itching of the scalp, especially in the morning on rising. There again we have the general aggravation in the morning. There are marked eruptions on the scalp. Eczema with crust formation. We have oleander is one of the remedy. Again another important, epilepsy from suppressed eruption as like in soranum as well as in sulfur. Twitching and jerking of the eyes. Here I would like to share one of my assistant case. She was with me from morning to evening and she started the left eye flickering continuously, and suddenly we just take the totality and given Agaricus few doses. You won't believe, by the end of the clinic it was stopped completely. So the patient looks at you, there is a pendulum like action of the eyes, but he could not fix his eyes. This stops only during sleep. All motion subside during sleep, one of the important indication of agaricus. Flickering before the eyes, he reads with difficulty. Object seems to be where they are not. Black flies before the eyes, sees double. Muscular weakness of the eyes, pupils dilated, pupils contracted, sensation as if cobweb before the eyes, spasmodic twitching and jerking also mark symptom. Deception in the colors and figures before the eyes. So this remedy is a great antidote to alcoholic beverages. In this remedy, chinkum, the spine is affected, and the both of these have aggravation from stimulants. Agaricus has cured many cases of epileptic convulsions. More commonly, we have seen in a hysteroepileptic type with frothing of the mouth, ophistotonus, drawing of the muscles of the face. The agaricus patient has spells in which a little muscles of the face or a few fibers of muscles will twitch or in a rapid motion for a few minutes and stop. And then another part of the face, the same thing can happen. In my patient, you can see how the muscles are flickering, and that was a continue for one day, and I give a few doses of agaricus, 30 potency, and he was fine within hours. Same twitching and jerking we can observe in the tongue muscles, spasms of the tongue, inarticulate speech, paralytic weakness in the lower limbs soon after becoming pregnant. This comes with every pregnant, and she must go to bed. The symptoms may lead to agaricus. Weight in the legs feel heavy, weak, trembling and jerking motions in the lower limbs. Complaints, very important, complaints appear diagonally, upper left and lower right side. While in a stramonium, upper right and lower left. Agaricus have very wide range of action, but I mainly use in paralytic weakness, early Parkinson's disease, eye flickering, epilepsy, and the most important, diabetic neuropathy. That's all regarding Agaricus muscaricus. So stay connected with me on my YouTube channel for more videos on Materia Medica. Thanks, stay healthy and blessed.